Hello, good morning, friends. Myself Jatin Dave from Asapura School, and welcome all of you once again. Shall we start now? Dear friends, जैसे कि हम बात कर रहे थे, हम कंजर्वेशन देख रहे थे मीनाक्षी और सुंदरम के बीच में। पहले हमने देखा किस ट्रिक के साथ वो विदाउट रिमाइंडर वाला नंबर फाइंड आउट करवाती हैं। वो देखा। इसके बाद सुंदरम की बारी आई, तो सुंदरम ने 3 डिजिट नंबर के साथ किस ट्रिक के साथ इसी तरीके की गेम प्ले की, ये हम देख रहे थे। आखिर में हमने बात की थी ट्राई दिस, जो कि अभी भी आपके स्क्रीन पर अवेलेबल है। वहीं से हम कंटिन्यू करेंगे इस वीडियो को आगे के टॉपिक के लिए। सो लेट अस सी हाउ दिस ट्रिक वर्क्स। Let the 3 digit number chosen by the Meenakshi be ABC, that means 100A plus 10B plus C. And after reversing the order, the digit C gets the number CBA is equal to 100C plus 10B plus A. On subtraction, in the first condition, if A is greater than C, then the difference between the number is 100A plus 10B plus C minus 100C plus 10B plus A equal to 100A plus 10B plus C minus 100C minus 10B minus A equal to 99A minus 99C. 99 is the common factor which is common, so we get 99 into bracket A minus C. In second condition, if C is greater than A, then the difference between the number is 100C plus 10B plus A minus 100A plus 10B plus C equal to 99C minus 99A. Therefore, 99 is the common factor and we get 99 into bracket C minus A. End of the course, if A is equal to C, then difference is equal to 0. In each case, the resulting number is divided by 99. So the remainder is 0, and observe the quotient is A minus C or C minus A. You may check the same by the taking other 3 digit numbers. Now forming the 3 digit number with the given 3 digits. Now it's a Meenakshi's turn, and one more time. Meenakshi says think of any 3 digit number. Sundaram says, alright, I have done it. Now Meenakshi says, now use this number to form two more 3 digit number. Like this, if the number you choose is ABC, then the first number is CAB with the 1 digit shifted to the left hand of the number. And the other number is BCA, that means with the hundreds digit shifted to the right hand of the number. Now add them up and divide the resulting number by 37. I claim that there will be no remainder. Sundaram says, yes, yes, you are right. In fact, Sundaram had thought of the 3 digit number 237. After doing what Meenakshi had asked, he got the number 723 and 372. So he did 237 plus 723 plus 372 is equal to 1332. Then he divided the resulting numbers 1332 by 37, and therefore we get 36 quotient with no remainder. Form all 3 digit number using all the digit 2, 3 and 7 and find their sum. Check whether the sum is divisible by 37. It is true for the sum of all the numbers formed by the digit A, B and C of the number ABC. ओके, फिर से एक बार एक ट्राई दिस आपके स्क्रीन पर आपकी राह देख रहा है. चेक व्हाट द रिजल्ट वुड have been if Sundaram had the chosen the numbers shown below: 417, 632, 117 and 937. Will this trick always work? Let us see. ABC is equal to 100A plus 10B plus C, CAB is equal to 100C plus 10A plus B, and BCA is equal to 100B plus 10C plus A. So therefore ABC plus CAB plus BCA is equal to 111 into bracket A plus B plus C is equal to 37 multiply 3 into bracket A plus B plus C, which is divisible by 37. Now letters for the digit. न्यू टॉपिक अब शुरू करने जा रहे हैं. लेटर्स फॉर द डिजिट्स. यहाँ हम ऐसा करेंगे कि जनरली जो हम न्यूमेरिकल्स के साथ काम कर रहे थे, नंबर्स के साथ काम कर रहे थे, नंबर की जगह पर अब हम लेटर्स लगाएंगे. ओके, हियर वी हैव पजल इन विच लेटर टेक द प्लेस ऑफ द डिजिट in an arithmetic sum, and the problem is to find out which letter uh, represent which digit. So it is like the cracking a code. Here we stick to problem of the addition and multiplication. Here are two rules we follow while doing such a puzzles. Number one, each letter in the puzzle must stand for the just one digit. Each digit must be represented by just one letter. And second, the first digit of the number cannot be 0. Thus, we write the number 60 there as 63 and not as 063 or 0063. A rule that we would like to follow is the puzzle must have just one answer. यहाँ पर दो बातें हमें याद रखनी है इस पजल को खेलते वक्त. पहली बात ये कि किसी भी अंक की जगह पर कोई एक ही लेटर्स का हम यूज़ करेंगे और प्रत्येक अंक के लिए सिर्फ एक ही लेटर इसको रिप्रेजेंट करेगा. और दूसरी कंडीशन है कि कोई भी नंबर्स हो इसमें पहला अंक शून्य नहीं होना चाहिए. जैसे कि हम 63 लिख रहे हैं तो हम 063 नहीं लिखेंगे और ना ही 0063 लिखेंगे. इस बात को ध्यान में रखते हुए, इस नियमों को ध्यान में रखते हुए हमें ये जो पजल्स हैं उसका एक और सिर्फ एक ही आंसर फाइंड आउट करना होगा. जैसे कि अब आपके स्क्रीन पर कुछ पजल आपके सामने एंजॉय करने के लिए. सबसे पहला एग्जाम्पल नंबर 1, फाइंड क्यू इन द एडिशन. 3 1q plus 1q3 equal to 501. There is just one letter q whose value we have to find. Study the addition in the ones column. From q plus 3 we get 1, that is a number whose one digit is 1. For this to happen, the digit q should be 8. So the puzzle can be solved as shown below. 3 plus 8 equal to 11. So 1 and 1 is the carry. Now 1 plus 8, 9 plus 1 carry equal to 10. So 0 right and 1 carry ahead, and 1 carry plus 3 plus 1 is equal to 5. That is q is equal to 8. One more question. Find a and b in the addition. A plus a is equal to ba. This has two letters a and b whose value are to be formed. Study the addition in the ones column. The sum of 3a is a number whose one digit is a. Therefore, the sum of the two a's must be number whose one digit is 0. This happens only for a is equal to 0 and a is equal to 5. If a is equal to 0, then the sum of the number 0 plus 0 plus 0 equal to 0, and which makes b is equal to 0 too. We do not want this, as it make a equal to b and then the 10 digit of ba to becomes 0. So we reject this possibility, and so a is equal to 5 taken. Therefore the puzzle is solved as shown below. 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to 15, and therefore a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 1 we get. One more example here. Example number 3. Find the digit a and b. ba multiplied by b3 is equal to 57a. This also has two letters a and b whose value are to be found. Since the one digit of 3 multiply a is a, it must be that a is equal to 0 or a is equal to 5. Now look at b. If b is equal to 1, then ba multiplied by b3 would at most be equal to 19 multiply 19, and that is, it would at most be equal to 361. But the product here in 57a, which is more than 500, so we cannot have b is equal to 1. If b is equal to 3, then ba multiplied by b3 would be more than 30 multiply 30, that is more than 900. But 57a is less than 600, so b cannot be equal to 3. Putting these two facts together, we see that b is equal to 2 only. So the multiplication is either 20 multiply 23 or 25 multiply 23. The first possibility fails since 20 multiply 23 is equal to 460, but the second one works out correctly since 25 multiplied by 23 we get 575. So the answer is a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 2. Now do this. Write a two-digit number AB and the number obtained by the reversing its digit, that means BA. Find their sum. Let the sum be a three-digit number DAD. AB plus BA is equal to DAD. That means 10A plus B plus 10B plus A is equal to DAD is equal to 11A into bracket A plus B is equal to DAD. The sum A plus B cannot be exceed 18. Is it correct? Is DAD is multiple of 11 or DAD less than 198? Write all the three-digit number which are multiple of 11 up to 198 and find the value of A and D here. Now it's a time for exercise 16.1 जो कि आपके स्क्रीन पर है. एक छोटा सा प्लेइंग गेम्स की तरह ये एक्सरसाइज है जो कि आपको करना है. ये रहा आपकी स्क्रीन पर एक्सरसाइज. तो इस वीडियो को हम यहीं पर रोकेंगे. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम मिलेंगे आपको फिर से एक बार सॉल्यूशन फ्रॉम एक्सरसाइज 16.1 को लेकर. तब तक के लिए आज्ञा दीजिए. धन्यवाद. थैंक यू वेरी मच एंड बाय बाय.